Hello and welcome to Team Kaiserschmarrn. My name is Jeff Ayers and I'm going to be the voice of our group today. In case you didn't know what our team name stood for, it is a lightly sweetened pancake that is served as a dessert or as a light lunch. This looks absolutely delicious. Now, without further ado, let me introduce my team of all stars. And on Team Pancake, we got James Oliver, Janelle Gage Roberts, Josh McMillan, Nicholas Bailey, and last but not least, myself, Jeff Ayers. And as far as our mode of communication, we're mostly just using Slack. I know, big shocker, but it works for all of us. We all have accounts and we're all check it daily, and it works for us. And now, as far as our document repository, drum roll, guess what? It is Slack again. It's worked for us tremendously. We've been able to go ahead and submit documents and be able to critique and add comments, suggestions, and it's just worked really well for us. And that's kind of what we've been doing. If it doesn't work out in the future, maybe we can change it. We always mention that maybe we'll do a Google Drive as a backup, but it's working for us. And without further ado, let me jump into some of the diagrams that we've been working on for Deliverable One. We're going to start with the use case diagram. And specifically, as far as the way our mode of thinking, we had three actors. We had a challenger, an organizer, and an administrator. And pretty much it's self-explanatory. Challenger is the one who, go ahead and does the challenges. The organizers create the challenges, and the administrators manage pretty much everything about that. And they're the ones who can kick them out. I went ahead and I listed some of the specifications for our applications. As far as these might be like methods that are included. That could be like for the managed participant, sign up, sign in, join challenges, purchase challenge. As you know, we have credit card company here and shopping cart, which deals with all that. Then as well as create activity, which would be something the organizer does. And we'll have something like an activity ID and user ID, which you'll see more in the other diagrams. But that's just a basic use case diagram for Deliverable One. We'll jump right into our domain class diagram, and pretty much you're seeing similar things. We have teams, we have accounts, we have users, administrators, activities, challenge, pretty much all the same things. The only difference is we can kind of see how organizers could have many challenges and thanks to our associations, and that's kind of where we're at as far as our domain class diagrams for there. Jumping into our sequence diagrams, we have a couple of them. We have join team, and as you can kind of see, our challenges have specific IDs as well as team IDs, and that's how we're going to kind of identify people. So we have join team, join challenge, and add challenge. Add challenge is something that our organizer is going to do. But these are just some of kind of the sequence diagrams that we have as far as that kind of discuss what we can kind of do in our system, and more likely more to come. But this is just for Deliverable 1. And as far as Deliverable 2, it's to be continued. We're going to meet up and we're going to discuss as far as what we're going to do and go from there. But as far as tracking, we are 100% tracking. Deliverable 1 is done. Everyone is working great. We're all happy and having a great time. But that's going to be it for me. And we'll look forward to speaking to you guys soon. Take care.